Hey babies, my name's Michael Linda. Welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what I have in store for y'all is like a part 2 to my hair. Like I'm gonna put the picture right here. I made a hair tutorial on how to like put hearts in your hair, and some people were like saying, oh, this is too hard, oh, it's too difficult, I don't know, this is not working out for me, I don't know how to put the heart in my hair. I was just like, okay. The way I did it in that video is kind of like hard, and as you can see, like in the video my hair was like, the heart was moving all over the place. I kept having to like fix it and stuff like that. So I came up with a new method that'll be way easier. And this heart ain't going this heart ain't going nowhere, baby. So it's just like I came up with a new method for y'all, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. Let's jump straight into it. So this is a pretty simple tutorial. All you need is three hair ties. Oh, 3 hair ties, and they can be any color you want. It doesn't matter. They just have to be like 3 regular hair ties, you know. So you grab a section of your hair. It doesn't matter what section it is, but I'm using the two, like I'm using a couple of front pieces of my hair. So I have 1 piece of hair out, and I grabbed 5 pieces of hair right here, or it should be 6 to be even, but I'm still gonna use 5 because I used 5 on this side and I want to like look the same, if that makes sense. My 5 pieces of hair, I take a hair tie and I wrap it in like a little pigtail so it can hang down like this. By the way, if you see me looking off to the side a lot, it's because I have a huge mirror right here and I'm looking in the mirror in order to like do my hair and see what I'm doing so I won't look like a fool. So yeah, once you have like your little pigtail in, you are going to grab another hair tie. You're gonna grab another hair tie, and you are going to take your pigtail and you're gonna tie it like right here, like in the, not in the middle, but close enough to that hair tie, but a little further out, like right there, I would say, so it can create like a little, I don't know, a little bump, like a little bubble type of thing. I don't know how to explain it, but you'll see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I tied the hair tie right here, and the other hair tie is right here, so it created like a little, you know, a little space right here. So I'm gonna pull it a little closer though. Okay, so then I pulled the hair up like this so it can hang down like freaking, I don't know, like weird type of thing. Like I look like the girl from the Grinch, like her hair I would anyway, so you're gonna pull the hair up, and as you can see, we're already starting to have that like heart form. So you want to take both pieces and wrap them like this. You want to take both of them and just grab them and pull them down. And then you're going to take your 3rd hair tie, your last hair tie, and you are going to wrap right here, like at the bottom part where we had our last hair tie. So then you should just have a few pieces of hair hanging down. You can just push that back. You can do whatever you want with it, but I usually just push it back, and then you just fix your heart. Usually I pull these 2 hair pieces up so it can make like a heart form, like adjust it a bit, you know. But yeah, and I have like 2 pieces of hair down. It's just like a little cute hairstyle. I love this hairstyle so much. But hopefully this like method that I came up with will hopefully like help a lot of people like with different types of hair textures and stuff like that. For example, if you aren't wearing box braids and stuff like that. So I really hope that this hair tutorial will help y'all more. So I really hope that this helped y'all a lot, and if you guys have any questions, please link them below. Link them? Comment them down below, okay? So yeah, I love y'all so much, and God bless. Bye.